unwind the DNA, and contained in its double helix is the genetic code, the blueprint for each new individual. It's packaged into bundles, chromosomes that are carried by sperm and egg. The cells that become egg and sperm start out with 46 chromosomes, like all other cells in the human body. These chromosomes divide by a special process to leave only 23. Before they divide, they go through a shuffling process, swapping genetic information to produce a unique new combination. This shuffling ensures the variety of the human species. With millions of sperm waiting in the testes and the egg about to be released, the stage is set every month for a meeting of the two. Our bodies respond to lovemaking with changes which make it possible for sperm to get inside the woman and meet the egg. The red and white areas in this thermal picture show where increased blood flow is producing heat, just one of the body's responses to arousal. Internal changes include swelling of tissues and lubrication. Skin is the most important organ of sexual excitement. Our 2.5 square yards of skin contain 5 million touch cells. They send sensory signals to the brain with lightning speed. Spread over the entire surface are areas of special sensitivity. These erogenous zones include lips, breasts, and genitals. Blood flow increases, and the heart works faster as we breathe harder to take in more oxygen. Blood normally bypasses the penis, but now its vessels dilate. The spongy tissues fill with blood, producing an erection. The sperm, till now unable to move, suddenly acquire the ability to swim. If they were as large as humans, they'd break the world record for the 100 meters freestyle. They are now propelled into the man's body to be fortified by special secretions from the prostate gland. At ejaculation, they perform a small marathon, equivalent to a man swimming 9 miles. Splashed against the woman's cervix is a flood of 700 million sperm. This is the beginning of the great sperm race, an assault course strewn with deadly obstacles. Inside the female, the sperm are now in alien territory. This is a sperm's eye view of the inside of the vagina. It's full of microscopic nooks and crannies which trap sperm. This is the gateway to the womb, the entrance to the cervix. The sperm must wriggle across these ragged skin cells. Many sperm get trapped in these crevices. Others take shelter and lurk here, releasing further sorties like waves of bombers over the next few hours. The vagina contains acid to protect it from germs. Bacteria won't flourish here, neither will sperm. 100 million are killed immediately. Most sperm die in the vagina. This sperm's survival depends on its strength and how powerfully it can swim. Ejaculation has delivered it here. Now it's on its own. Compared with other animals, the human male is rather poor at making sperm. Despite his larger testes, he makes only as many normal sperm as a hamster. Over half may be abnormal. Here's a sperm with a bent head. Some have 2 tails. Strangely, it's a disadvantage. Others have no heads. The health of the sperm is vital, but no sperm can achieve its mission unless there's an egg ready and waiting. In the ovary, a follicle is ripening. making a bulge in the surface at the lower left. The monthly surge of hormones makes the follicle burst, releasing an egg. The woman's orgasm may actually trigger it. Every 4 weeks, these fringes at the end of the fallopian tubes become activated by hormones and begin searching for the egg. They pick up the egg so it won't be lost in the abdomen. Once it's safely inside the fallopian tube, the egg has up to 48 hours to meet a sperm. Only on this particular day or two each month can a woman become pregnant. The muscular walls of the tube push the egg along. Unlike the wriggling sperm, it can't move on its own. The fallopian tubes are lined with microscopic hairs called cilia, which sweep the egg onwards. The tube walls also provide nourishment on the slow journey down to the womb. For the surviving sperm, the next obstacle is the cervix, the narrow entrance to the womb. They may find it blocked by a plug of mucus. This sticky barrier protects the woman by preventing harmful bacteria from invading her vulnerable womb. Microbes can't penetrate its fine structure. Neither can these massed hordes of sperm.